Despite decades of research into the phenomenon of tourism, there is still much debate about commonly held truths, if indeed there are any truths. Many commonly held truths of tourism are actually myths, statements that are long-standing and underpinned by widely held beliefs, but false. These truths have been repeated so many times that they become platitudes, frequently recited by students and academics alike. Some of these myths include: tourism revitalizes culture. Tourism provides high-quality jobs. Small-scale tourism is preferable. Some of these myths may be true in some contexts, but not in others. So the main purpose of this research is to investigate the prevalence of commonly held tourism myths amongst tourism students worldwide, to test whether the Dunning-Kruger effect exists among these students. The Dunning-Kruger effect suggests that individuals who perform poorly at a task or lack knowledge or skills in an area are less likely to realize they are underperforming. They overestimate their ability. In other words, students with poorer critical thinking abilities may be more likely to believe these tourism myths, but also less likely to question these myths and recognize their own lack of critical thinking. The research team developed a quantitative questionnaire hosted on an online survey platform. Data were collected from 22 universities in 16 different countries or territories, and the total sample size was 1,493. To test the Dunning-Kruger effect, we categorized the students into quartiles based on their actual performance. We plot the mean scores of these quartiles against their perceived performance. We find the existence of the Dunning-Kruger effect among tourism and hospitality students. We observe that overconfident students tend to be less skeptical about common tourism myths.